All right, so this first problem requires us to find the difference quotient. And so you're going to follow this formula here. And we're given four problems. Let's pick one. Let's go ahead and do one of these. Let's go ahead and try it with C. So we're gonna do the first part, which is f of x plus h. So instead of x, we're gonna use parentheses, and that's where we're gonna enter the x plus h here in a second. And then so that takes care of this piece. And now we have to work on the minus f of x. So it's minus brackets. F of x means you leave the expression as is, x squared minus 2x. And so in the first expression, replacing the x with x plus h, we're left with x plus h squared minus 2 times the quantity x plus h. And just following the rest of the formula, we've got divided by h, divided by h. So now it's a matter of simplifying, which can be a little there's quite a bit to do. So the x plus h squared, we're gonna multiply that out. So it's x squared plus 2hx plus h squared. Now I'm going to distribute the 2 and then at the same time distribute the minus sign. So I've got minus 2x minus 2h. And finally, I'm going to distribute this minus sign. So we've got minus x squared plus 2x. Okay, so what generally tends to happen, and of course we're going to divide by h, is that some of the terms are going to start to cancel out. So I've got this 2x, minus 2x and the 2x that cancel. I've got the x squared and the minus x squared that cancel. And that might be all that I can cancel at this stage, but I'm left with equals 2hx plus h squared minus 2h all over h. And you might see now that some of these numerator h's can cancel. And therefore, the final result is 2x plus h minus 2. Um, and I think it just to summarize what you did, if you have a curve, let's say the curve runs something like this, and you have 2 points, and this is H. I'm sorry, this is X. Then this, assuming that this distance is H, then this point over here is X plus H. And so what this formula is doing is it is giving you the slope of that blue line oops, let me do it in blue. And it's this is the numerator of that formula. And then trying to change colors here. See if that helps any. And then this is the H. So you're getting the slope of that blue line, assuming you know what your X and your H are.